Hello. Now let us go to the last area of our Othello and what really happened in the last class. Emilia entered to the bedroom to report Cassio and Roderigo already died. And again Othello asking Cassio died. Then she reports Roderigo's case and Cassio is wounded. But at the same time, Desdemona groans, and now what is find? She is almost dead. And Emilia, after understanding this thing, that making a lot of allegations and blame on Othello. And even Desdemona is seen reporting that she committed suicide herself or killed herself. But later on, Othello declares that it was he who killed her on the bed, which made Emilia totally frustrated. And now she wants to ask Othello what is the reason behind it. And in a very plain way, Othello reports, your mistress, my wife Desdemona, was a very disloyal woman and untrustworthy woman. And she has cheated me and called so many men in her bedroom. Especially Cassio had 1,000 times relation with her. This is not a matter of a fact to Emilia, and Emilia does not find this. Does not mind this and telling many things. Emilia now are telling, thou art a dull Moor, that handkerchief thou speakest on. Othello has already opened. Even in the later time, she had given the handkerchief to Cassio, and I had seen myself handkerchief with him, and the handkerchief which I gave her was only token of love, which was ready to be handed over to Cassio. Is it good, you think? Asking Emilia. Now Emilia telling, you are a stupid and foolish man. That handkerchief thou speakest on, that handkerchief about which you are now talking, I found by fortune. I found it in an accident, or I found it accidentally on the ground. It was not given to Cassio by my mistress. I found it myself on the ground, on the floor of the house. And it did give my husband. I took that handkerchief and handed over to my husband Iago. For often with a solemn consentness, consentness means seriously, more than indeed belong to such a trifle, he begged of me to steal it. Underline, begged of me. Here in the sense, my husband Iago had asked me, requested me to steal it from Desdemona. But accidentally I got it from the floor. Then I handed over to my husband. For often with a solemn conditions, he begged of me to steal it. He begged of me to steal it. He often requested me to steal it. Iago, villain is war. You are a villain is war. She gave it to Cassio. Yeah, you believe that she gave you thing. She gave you thing. Do you think that deliberately your wife would give this handkerchief to Cassio? No, alas. I found it and I did give to my husband. I gave the handkerchief to my husband Iago. Iago, felt thou liest. You are a liar. Mind your words. Did you give me handkerchief when? Stupid, good for nothing, useless. Iago gets angry. Emilia, by heaven, I do not, gentlemen, a murderous coxcomb. You are a murderous coxcomb, means fool. What should such a fool do with a good woman? It is better that you would not have married my lady. You are a fool, and my mistress was a good woman, would not have married you. Are there no stones in the heaven but when serves the thunder, precious villain? Now almost Othello realizes the character of Iago. And now he says, oh my God, how many thunderbolts are happening and killing so many innocent people. Why thunderbolts not killing Iago? This is a bloody man, precious villain, precious in Shakespearean time had a bad effect on the connotation, means rascal. You are a rascal, a villain. He runs at Iago and Iago stabs Emilia. Othello tries to catch Iago, but at the same time, what does Iago do? Iago stabs wife Emilia. You are a liar and you are cheating me, like stabbing. Gratiano, the woman falls, sure he has killed his wife. Underline, he has killed his wife. All the time when Emilia gets a stabbing, Emilia would have cried. Then Gratiano says, he has killed his wife. Emilia, oh, lay me by my stress, my side. If it is going to be dead, Emilia warns, I am ready to lie nearby my mistress on the bed. I am ready to die with her. Lay me by my mistress's side, my mistress Desdemona now on the bed. Let me die with her. Gratiano, he has gone, but his wife killed. Iago fled away from the stage. Oh, already fled. Then Gratiano reports, Iago went away, but he has killed his wife. He has gone, his wife has killed. Mondano, this a notorious villain. Iago is a notorious villain. Take you this weapon which I have here recovered from the moor. Mondano gives the weapon to Gratiano and telling, you keep this weapon with you which I took from Othello. Home, guard the door without, let him not pass, but kill him rather. I will after the same villain. You catch and follow me. I will go and find this Iago. He is a villain. I will be going after and catching him, for it is a damned slave. Exeunt, Mondano and Gratiano, both of them go after. Othello there, Othello, I am not valiant neither. I am not very courageous today. Every puny whisper gets my sword. All people easily take my weapons from me. Reported how Mondano took his weapon. Mondano took a weapon only to keeping him away from further attacks on others. Now he says, I become very coward, I become very courageous because everybody attacks me and takes my sword or even weapon. But mind you, I am a strong general and governor of Cyprus, but you know, everybody now calls me no courage at all. But why should honor outlet honesty? Let it go, let everything spoil. People will, when they lose something, would say, Okka nashikatangad. People would say in the same way, let it go all, everything to be spoiled, good for nothing, useless. Let it go. Othello says, Emilium, almost half dead now, telling, What did the song about lady? Now our Desdemona is already died, and looking at her face, Emilia telling, what, my dear lady, what song before you went dying, what song did you sing? How canst thou hear me? I will play the swan. It is only in a bombastic way of description that she also would sing a song like Desdemona before sleeping or dying. And die in music, underline die in music. Like Desdemona, Emily also wants to die in music. Willow, 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 Moor, she was chaste, she loved you, and cruel Moor. 2-3 lines of song at the same time. Emilia calling Moor, you are a fool because you are cruel. Your wife was very loyal wife. Your wife was very chaste, and she loved you very much. But you killed her, Moor, idiot, good for nothing, useless monkey. So come on, my stole to bliss, I speak true, speaking as I think, I die, like Emilia also dies. Now 2 dead bodies on the bed or bed chamber of Desdemona and Othello. Our Othello loses his control. Othello says, I have another weapon in this chamber. If anybody comes and attacks me, if anybody comes and do something against me, I have no other weapon in this room. Chamber means room. It is now 250, unit number 250, C number 2. Go through the unit by unit. I have another weapon in this chamber. No, I have another weapon in this chamber. It is a sword of Spain. It is I have kept another weapon in this chamber. It is ice-brooked timber. It has both sides very sharp. It had been presented to me in a special way, a sword specially made, a sword specially made. Even though Gratiano Mondano took my weapon, no worry, I have kept a special weapon here. It is a sword. Ice-brooked timber means it was a specially made sword. Oh, it is, uncle, I must come forth. Gratiano within, if thou attempt it, it will cost thee dear. Thou hast no weapon, therefore must suffer. Othello, look at upon me, then speak to me. O naked as I am, I will assault here. You talk to me in a straight way, I will attack you. Enter Gratiano. Gratiano asking, what is the matter? What is the problem? You are going to quarrel with Mondano and Gratiano. What is the problem? What is the matter? Othello, behold, I have a weapon better, never died, shall sustain. You have taken one weapon from me, but mind you, I have another weapon in my hand. Upon a soldier thigh I have seen the day, with a little arm, this good sword. I have made my way through my impediments. I had faced a lot of impediments. Underline impediments means obstacles. ഒരുപാട് പ്രതിസന്ധികളെ നേരിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഇവിടം വരെ എത്തിയത്. That I know. Impediments means obstacles. That 20 times your stop, oh vain boast, who can control his fate? It is now, but now afraid, though you do see me the weapon. Here is my journey's end. Underline. It is my journey's end. I have seen so many obstacles. I have seen so many ups and downs. Now my journey is going to end of my almost sail. Do you get back dismayed as lost fear man, but rush against Othello's breast? Now I have done so many good things for our country, but you people, Gratiano and Mondano, though you are relatives to Desdemona and me, now you are going against me. Where should Othello go? If the situation is like this, where should I go? Othello has his own position. Now does look now, ill started wench, pale thy smoke. When shall meet at count this look of thine heart, my soul from heaven? I will be having a soul from heaven. As friends and snatch it cold, that even thy chastity, O cursed slave. Even though he is pretending to be courageous, he is at mind very weak. Othello says again, looking to Desdemona, you are a slave and your chastity lost. Whip me, you devils, from the possession of heavenly sight. Even heavenly angels and other people in the heaven would punish me, but no problem. Below me about the winds, roast me in the sulfur, wash me in the sleep down gulfs and the liquid fire. Oh, Desdemona, Desdemona, dead. Oh, enter Ludovico Mondano, officers, Iago, prisoner, Cassio in a chair. Now, Mondano, Gratiano went and caught Iago and made him a prisoner, and now wounded Cassio on the chair coming. Ludovico, Ludovico, where is this rationed, most unfortunate man? Othello, that is he was Othello, here I am. You are searching Othello, I am here. What a very bad and foolish man I am here standing before you. Where is this viper? Bring the villain forth. Where is this Ludovico unknowingly calling? Where is this viper? Viper means poisonous snake. Othello is considered to be a poisonous snake. And where is this? Bring the villain forth. I mean, Iago is also considered to be on the stage. I look down toward his feet, that fable, if thou beest the devil, I cannot kill thee. Now, showing another weapon to Iago, Othello telling, you are a devil. If you are a devil, I cannot kill thee. But as a man, I will kill thee. I cannot kill you because you are a devil, in the sense that he took his double-sided sharpened weapon, stabs Iago. Oh, wring his sword from him, snatch his word from him. Iago, I bleed, sir, but not killed. Iago, even getting a stab on the stomach, says, I am only wounded, not killed. Like, Othello, I am not sorry. I have done thee leave, for in my sins it is happiness to die. Ludovico, oh, the Othello, they were once good, fallen in the practice of demand slave. What should he say to thee? Oh, Othello, in my eyes you had been very good, nice man. What really happened to you now, Othello? Why, anything, an honorable murder, if you will, the not did I hate but the honor. The wrath of the confessed is villainy. Did you and the consent is as your death? In cases, have you got any plot? Have you got any conspiracy to kill Cassio? Ludovico asking. Othello, aye, yes. Dear General, I did never give you a cause. Cassio. Ludovico asked, do you have any conspiracy to kill Cassio? Then Othello says, yes. Then Cassio asking, what mistake did I do to sir? You have sent so many people to kill me. What is the reason behind it? What mistake did I do? Cassio asking. Then Othello telling, you do not know any cause? I will explain. What Othello is going to tell Cassio and Ludovico, let us wait and see the last stage of this drama. Till that moment, goodbye.